pushes that stick forward and rolls his way down to air show left. That is our indication that the show line is obstruction free, and Sean is now ready to attempt to slice all three of those ribbons in one single pass in three separate flight attitudes. Diving down to 215 miles an hour, 18 feet above the ground, right knife edge flight through ribbon number 1. Left knife edge through number 2, and now inverted. Sean takes out that third and final ribbon. Just another of Sean's many original maneuvers, the triple ribbon cut. The negative G is once again increasing off of the backside of the outside loop. Sean remains inverted, pushing skyward to inverted with a tunnel in the middle. That is the Tucker Upper. And Sean brings it back to air show center. Watch for the nose to pitch up suddenly. 1 3/4 outside snap roll. Knife edge flight. We call this the slider. And now again, get your cameras ready because Sean is turning inbound for his low altitude, low speed photo pass. Sean D, you're on.
I don't know if you can hear me through those starfighters, but I'll try to tell everybody, thank you so much for coming out. I really appreciate it. You know, it's so much fun out here. It's so much fun to dream. So this is my wave to you. I want you guys to wave back. I want to go slow through the pool, lead my photos. The guy in the green hat, give me a wave! Yeah, baby! The lady holding the... Give me a wave! Give me a wave!
Oh, he's tripping!
You guys are the best! And we'll see you guys tomorrow!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as the throttle comes forward down at air show right, Sean is now going to roll this aircraft around and set up for the final maneuver of this afternoon sequence. This